Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset 2015 BMW X1 Service Light Easy Guide. Start with the ignition in position 1 and the steering wheel straight, then use the iDrive controller to open the main menu. Navigate to Vehicle Info, then Vehicle Status, and select Reset. Hold the controller until the confirmation appears and wait for the system to acknowledge the reset before turning off the car. In this video, I will explain how to reset 2015 BMW X1 Service Light Easy Guide. With the car in position 1, press Menu and use the controller to reach Vehicle Info, then Vehicle Status. Select the service item you want to reset, like oil service, and choose Reset Service. Press and hold the controller until the display confirms the reset, then verify the service light goes out before driving away. In this video, I will explain how to reset 2015 BMW X1 Service Light Easy Guide. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair manuals in the garage easy and comfortable, even under low light. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to reset 2015 BMW X1 Service Light Easy Guide. If the service light persists after a proper reset, check battery charge and connectors near the glove box for loose plugs. Try a second reset after a brief drive cycle and use an OBD2 scanner to read stored error codes if available. For ongoing warnings, arrange professional diagnostics to ensure safety and proper maintenance records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.